Hey guys, welcome to Medifaction. Today we will learn about some systemic histology slides based on digestive system. Tongue. The filiform papillae. The filiform papillae has sharp conical tips as you can see right here, and these are lined by stratified squamous keratinized epithelium, which is an exception in papillae of tongue, and they do not possess any taste buds. Next is circumvallate papillae. To identify circumvallate papillae, there will be presence of stratified squamous non-keratinized epithelium. Also, there will be presence of taste buds. These comes under largest of all tongue papillae. Serous salivary gland. These are made of predominantly serous acini. Serous cells are pyramidal in shapes with basal nucleus. Mucous salivary gland. These are made of predominantly mucous acini. Mucous cells are pale staining with flat basal nucleus. Esophagus. These are lined by stratified squamous non-keratinized epithelium, and there will be presence of mucous glands in the submucosal area. The upper part shows presence of skeletal muscle fibers as well. Stomach, fundus part. In the fundus of the stomach, the mucosa is lined by simple columnar epithelium, and also long gastric glands in lamina propria with shallow gastric pits can be observed. Stomach pyloric part. Here the gastric pits are long, and also small pyloric glands can be observed. Duodenum. In duodenum, the villi are long and numerous, and also there will be presence of Brunner's glands in the submucosal layer. Jejunum. In jejunum, there will be no submucosal glands, and also there won't be any Peyer's patches. The villi are long and prominent in case of jejunum. Ileum. In ileum, the villi are short and few. Here, lymphatic aggregations called Peyer's patches are seen at the submucosal part. Large intestine. In large intestine, the mucosa shows folds and absence of villi. Lining epithelium is simple columnar with numerous goblet cells. The muscularis externa is thick. Liver. In liver, hepatocytes are arranged radially in rows from the central vein. Adjacent rows of hepatocytes are separated by lymphatic sinusoids, and also there will be presence of portal triad. Gallbladder. In gallbladder, mucus lined by tall columnar cells with microvilli, and also fibrous coat made up of collagen, elastic and smooth muscle fibers are observed. Pancreas. We all know pancreas is both endocrine and exocrine in function. The exocrine part shows centroacinar cells, intercalated and interlobular ducts, and the endocrine part shows the islets of Langerhans. Hope you have understood the video. Like, subscribe and press the bell button for more videos. Thank you. Thanks for watching.